Welcome back, y'all, to another episode of Salty Rich Adventures. Today I'm heading out to Lemon Bay. I haven't been out here since the hurricanes. I scouted a couple areas, but I haven't really got a good fishing day. I'm hanging out more on the north side. I've heard some reports of down by Stump Pass there was some red tide, so that was at least a week or so ago. But I heard everything up on this side of the bay was nice, so I wanted to come up here for a few hours, do a little scouting around. It's going to be a windy day, so I'm trying to stay on a wind protected shoreline, and we'll see if that's going to help me or not. We had a cold front come over this past weekend, so this is the first cooler day that we've had in about 3 weeks. As you can tell, I got a hoodie on this morning, but the sun's supposed to come out and it's going to warm up very quickly, so I think if we don't catch anything first thing this morning, there could be some stuff as the morning goes on. So I'm starting to see a little bit of mullets going up around out here, so that's a great sign. So let's get at it, y'all. Let's get salty. Finally got something here, guys. Been out for just a few minutes and working our way over to the first spot. Decided to go out and troll a little bit on this paddle tail. See if anything was wanting to hit. Looks like we got something here. Decided to just start running at me. Head out here. Yeah, looks like we got a decent trout here. Yeah, very nice trout here, guys. Not too bad first thing, not too bad. Right on. Looks to be in the slot range. I'm gonna wet my hands before I touch this guy because I'm gonna put it back. Yeah, check this one out, guys. Right on. Slot. He was thick. I thought he was closer to about 18. Still a great way to start the morning. As you can probably tell, the wind is picking up, guys. Picking up quick. It was supposed to die down as the morning was going on, but it was still right on that edge line of being okay or not. So we might get forced to call it a day sooner than we'd like out here, but hey, at least we got a trout. So let's see what else we can get on, guys. Actually a snook the way it just came up, and that would make sense why it's fighting so hard. Let's see. Yeah, I think we got a snook, guys. He's decent too. Gotta back this drag off a little bit. I don't want to lose this guy. Had it set a little hard because I missed a big hit. And wow, guys, this is a good one. Woo, he's splashing me. Ah, nice. this guy in the net here for a second. Get my board out. Right on, guys. Woo! He just sucked that turd Ferguson out of his mouth. Woo! Man, this one's good, guys. Woo! You're gonna cooperate for me, right? Let me get you back, buddy. Woo! 22 3/4, 23 with the pinch, guys. 23 with the pinch. Right on. Get you back going, buddy. One more for the camera. You ready to go? Yeah. Shook hard yet? Alright, kicked off. Good. Good. Right on, guys. Oh my god, I am surrounded by birds, guys. Wow. There is 100 or more. We got us a little trout trolling here. Right about the same place that I got one this morning. Just working my way over to my next spot. Got something to hit trolling. Oh wow. There's a ladyfish and it just jumped in the back of the kayak. Jumped in the kayak, back out. Settle down, buddy. If I was going to be out here longer today, I'd cut him up and use him for some bait, but it's your lucky day, buddy. Go on. These guys are always a pretty fun fight. Not anything glamorous about them, but they're always decent catch, so I'm not too upset. But somehow got my bait all the way up my leader on that one, so I got some work to do to get that fixed, and then yeah, get back at it. Guys, I don't know if I have a little tarpon or a big ass ladyfish. I think it's a big lady. Big lady. Try to not get this guy in the kayak because sometimes they just crap all over you. Alright. Got him on the Alabama leprechaun. I don't know if there's just some really large ladyfish out here or if there is some tarpon. I thought I seen tarpon rolling. Come on, buddy. Out here throwing at those for a minute. I thought I maybe had a tarpon for a second, but not the case. Not today. Not today. We're gonna keep trying though. See if maybe there is one out here. Oh, looks like we're hooked up again. Ladyfish. Man, I don't know how they get my baits like all up the leader and stuff. Like, what happened before he even jumped and spit it? Alrighty, y'all. I think that's gonna do it for this video. I am tired of catching these ladyfish out here. It seems to be the only thing still biting. So it's about 10 a.m. so we got out here for about 3 hours. I was able to find some activity. It was a decent little scouting mission, and yeah, I'll probably be back out here in the future. I was glad to see that there was no red tide in the area. I hope you guys liked this video. If so, give it a like and subscribe if you haven't already. Stay salty, y'all.